Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the issue of freezing on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. After that, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter or you will search on the application of Snapchat. Then this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here in this page, we click on Snapchat and we click. After that, we click on clear cache. And then you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again if it's not working with you. You can go to Play Store and you can update your app if you will find your update in this plus sign. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe.